Today I'm making slime with balloons. I saw a YouTube video with this, and yeah, it looks great when somebody else makes it, but it's super messy. Look at the end of the video, I will show what I did with my glue. So yeah. Only do this if you are like desperate for views on YouTube. It's my case because my YouTube channel is like a failure. So let's try. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, please. Let's start with the glue. And if you aren't following me yet on TikTok, like app, you can find me on Instagram, lots of social media. It's always the same username, except for TikTok. Instead of Luna, the Unidog, it's Luna Unidog. And on Like app and the others, it's always Luna, the Unidog, including Instagram. And on Instagram, I have two slime accounts. It's Purple Bird Perfumes and Purple Bird Slimes. Don't mind the cat meowing, that's Mandy. Mandy, don't come here. Shaving foam. Oh, it's not too bad, at least until now. Now, so it's glue, shaving foam, foaming soap, and mix it. I'm doing the basic slime recipe for fluffy slime. Mix, 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 mix. Now cornstarch. This is lotion. No, lotion, it's at the end. So, hand soap. I don't know if it matters much, but that's how I'm used to do it. So it's better not change it. So this is supposed to say lotion. And mix it. Now, color. Let's see if it will be super messy. Yes, it is. Look at my hands. Great. Yes, color everywhere. It's super messy. And glitter. Tons of glitter. Now mix it. It should be more like a jiggly slime, I think, because I added water to the lotion. I couldn't get the lotion like without mixing with a little bit of water to make it to go into the balloon. An activator. And now let's see if it will work. It has to, it's the same recipe I always use. So mix, mix, mix. Yes, it's forming. So it's super easy to make slime, you know? Sometimes my followers say, oh, I can't make slime, it doesn't work. Of course it works. You just need a good recipe and to practice, you know, like everything in life. Yeah, it's jiggly. Look at my hands. I added a little bit of warm water because it's over-activated. So don't mix too much activator. It's because of the balloons, you can't really control, you know? I usually add the activator slowly, so this won't happen. Sometimes it does. Yeah. It will be super jiggly. It wasn't supposed to be jiggly slime, but it's okay. It's slime. And yeah. And thank you for watching. The more you play with it, the better it will be, you know? Yeah.